So Black Friday is upon us, and I compiled a list of a few deals that you may be in the market for this holiday season. And we're going to get right into it, starting with the PlayStation Portal. The PlayStation Portal started off slow, but it got better over time year after year. From year 1 to now year 2, and I actually made a whole video going over the evolution of the PlayStation Portal, and you're welcome to check that out if you want to, but right now, we're here for the deals. Right now here in the US, you can get either the white or the black PlayStation Portal, both $20 off on PlayStation Direct or Amazon if you choose to shop there. But if you're in the market for the 30th anniversary edition, unfortunately you still got to pay $220. Next we have the PlayStation 5 consoles. Now you can get the digital edition for $100 off, which is $400 currently. Now it's kind of funny because the original price was $400 when it came out in 2020, so it's kind of full circle. So right now you can get it for the retail original price. Now if you ask me, the next one, the PlayStation 5 disc version console, is probably the best deal of all of them because it's also $100 off from its current price of $550 down to $450, but the original PS5 that came with the disc was $500 to begin with, so getting it at $450 is actually, shocker, a deal, because it's actually one of the only consoles to date, it seems like lately, that's actually gotten cheaper as it came out. Even though they raised the price, it is cheaper today than it was when it first came out, which that doesn't really happen these days anymore. Now, if you're in the market for a PlayStation Pro, that is also $100 off and is now down from $750 to $650, which is actually also cheaper than what it came out retail. It came out retail at $700. So here in the US, you can get it for $650 right now today in either the PlayStation Direct store or Amazon if you choose to shop there. Now onto accessories, you can get the PlayStation DualSense Edge wireless controller, which is the pro version of the regular PS5 controller, for $170 here in the US. You can get the white or the black version for that price. And if you want the 30th anniversary edition, you gotta pay $220. Again, it's 30th anniversary, so it's expected they will treat it a little differently. And you can get that either on the PlayStation Direct website or again, Amazon if that's your preferred place to shop. And last but not least, for PlayStation Plus memberships, right now you can get the premium edition off 33% if you get the whole 12-month subscription. Other than that, the essential and the extra tiers are pretty much the same. So even if you're a current subscriber, you can go ahead and double up and get that and get those extended savings. And one last thing is important to point out, if you plan on getting a PlayStation Portal, if you want to cloud stream and not have to rely on a PS5 or even have to buy a PS5 if you don't have one, you are going to need the PlayStation Plus premium subscription. So now's a good time to go ahead and do that. Otherwise, you're going to have to resort to remote play and you're going to have a PS5 that you already own. It's unfortunate that it's locked behind a paywall, but currently that's just the way it is. So there you have it. If you like this video or appreciated me getting straight to the point, go ahead and drop me a like. If you found it helpful at all, go ahead and share it with a friend. And if you want more content like this, go ahead and subscribe. And I'll catch you in the next one.